Hey everyone, I'm very excited to announce that we're going to have our first ever intensive Wing Chun workshop right here in Hong Kong, which is the heart of Wing Chun, where it all began with Yip Man, Bruce Lee, and my teacher, Choi Shun Tin. So it's going to be from the 6th to the 12th of September this year, and it's going to be open to everyone. So whether you're from this lineage or not, whether you are quite new to Wing Chun or you've been practicing for many years, or even if you're teaching it, this camp is open to everyone. So with over 30 hours, of course, we're going to be covering the techniques, the forms, different movements, things like that. But the main goal is to basically be able to pass on the reason behind why things work in Wing Chun, the reason behind why we do certain things in certain forms. What is the real idea behind center line, behind, you would have heard in videos, Choi Shun Tin talk about joint power, talk about Nim Tao, the power of the mind and how that all works. So, many people are like, okay, that all sounds great, but what is it? It sounds hard to grasp. It sounds like woo-woo. But within 30 hours, I'm confident that I can have each and every person understand why it works and the steps for each individual to be able to get there. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing. The principles are there, but for each different person, they need different things done with their body. The idea is to keep the group quite small so that I can have hands-on with each attendee, and that way, the dream is that you guys can go home knowing how it works, why it works, and the steps that you can take to get there by yourself. So looking forward to having you there. As I said, spaces are limited, so please look below and register as soon as you can. Cheers guys, see you in September.